What cheese are you going to be trying today?
Pepper slice. That's a plastic cheese.
See, it says here.
It's like tasting certain pieces tastes much better if you remove the plastic first.
So you are supposed to. There's cheese around.
Oh, cute.
You missed the money shot.
It just looks like a normal cute cow. What the?
It's one way to tap your foot.
And here we see the history of cheese at the Bega Heritage Cheese Factory Centre place. We've got lovely vintage things everywhere, including the very authentic sharp flat screen television. They used these in the cheese making process back in the early, I don't know, days of yore. What they were used for is quite unclear. It's possibly for flattening the cheese, or maybe they used it as a table, they set it upright. It's quite unknown, but it is a prized piece of the collection. This is Sterling reenacting the famous film Saw, in which the main antagonist has people tortures people using a cheese cutting device. This is a cheese rake, which is used for raking the cheese.
There's Freddy Krueger's claws.
Over here we see Freddy Krueger's claws on the wall. As you can see, the Bega Cheese Heritage Centre is not only home to many cheese-related products, but also many horror movie-related products. It is also home of the original bovine centipede, as you can see from here. Bovine centipede. As I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, Bovine Centipede was the original title for the horror film Human Centipede. However, animal rights activists did decide to boycott the film, and so they decided that they would prefer cruelty to humans over cruelty to cows. That is our next fun fact of the day. Help me! Help me! Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Oh, we used to have one that my father had.
Over here we see the original prototype for those things they have in shopping malls that charities have, that you put the coin in and they spin the coin around. This was the original Bega prototype for that.